Have you ever stopped to think about how money is actually made? Sure, we see bills all around us every day, but the process behind producing them is complex and fascinating. It's not just about printing paper. Each note goes through a series of highly precise steps to ensure its security, durability, and authenticity. If you've ever wondered about the entire journey that money takes from design to circulation, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the entire process of how money is made, step by step. From the initial designs to the final checks, you'll discover just how much work goes into creating something that most people simply take for granted. Whether you're curious about how the intricate designs come to life, how the security features are embedded, or how the bills are prepared for circulation, this video will give you a deep dive into the fascinating process behind the creation of money. The creation of money begins with the design process. A team of skilled artists and designers works together to create the look and feel of the currency. Every element, from the choice of portraits to the symbols and images, has meaning. These images often represent the country's values, history, and culture. Designing currency isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a bill that can't easily be replicated. Artists use specialized software to refine their designs and add layers of detail. These details aren't just for looks. They help with the next step, ensuring the bill is secure and hard to counterfeit. The design also takes into account the size and shape of the bill, as well as the materials that will be used. Once the design is finalized, it is transferred onto a template that will be used for engraving the printing plates. This is a critical step in creating the framework for the money's production. Once the design has been finalized, it's time to create the plates that will be used for printing. This is where the intricate details of the design are transferred into a format that can be used for mass production. Metal plates are carefully engraved with the images and patterns that were designed in the first step. These plates are essential for transferring the design to the paper during the printing process. Each plate is meticulously crafted using high-end technology, and great care is taken to ensure that every detail is captured perfectly. These engraved plates are responsible for transferring the fine lines, portraits, and security features that make the currency both beautiful and secure. Once the plates are ready, they undergo testing to ensure their quality and accuracy before they are used in the printing process. The next step in the process is the creation of the paper that will be used to print the bills. This is not ordinary paper. It is specially designed to be durable and secure. The paper is made from a unique blend of cotton and linen, which makes it stronger than regular paper and harder to tear. In addition to the cotton and linen, small security features like threads and fibers are embedded within the paper to make it resistant to counterfeiting. The paper is produced in large rolls, and each roll is thoroughly inspected for any flaws before it moves to the next step. These rolls are then carefully cut into the exact size needed for the bills. The paper is now ready to be printed with the carefully crafted designs. Once the paper is ready, it's time for the printing process to begin. The printing of money involves multiple stages, each designed to create a high-quality, secure product. First, the background designs, colors, and intricate patterns are printed using offset printing. This process gives the bill its visual appearance, with each layer of ink adding depth and vibrancy to the design. After the background designs are printed, the next phase focuses on adding the security features. This includes things like microtext, color-shifting inks, and holograms. These security elements are critical to ensuring the bill cannot be easily forged. The bill goes through multiple stages of printing, with each layer being checked for accuracy and precision to ensure everything is aligned properly. This step is all about enhancing the security of the currency to prevent counterfeiting. Modern bills feature a variety of security features that are virtually impossible to replicate. Among these are watermarks, metallic threads, color-shifting inks, and microtext, all of which are designed to be difficult to detect without the right tools or conditions. Each of these security features is applied with incredible precision during the printing process. Some features are embedded in the paper itself, while others are printed directly onto the surface of the bill. The goal is to create multiple layers of security that will make it extremely difficult for anyone to create a convincing counterfeit. Once the bills are printed with all their designs and security features, the next step is cutting them into their final shape. The bills are carefully cut from large sheets into individual pieces, ensuring each bill is the correct size and shape. At the same time, the bills are sorted to ensure that any with defects or imperfections are removed from the batch. Once the bills have been cut and sorted, they undergo one final round of quality control. In this stage, each bill is carefully inspected to ensure that it meets all the standards for color, security features, and overall quality. Advanced machinery and human inspectors check for any flaws that might have slipped through earlier stages. The bills are also examined to ensure that the security features are properly aligned and intact. Once the bills pass the quality control phase, they are packaged and prepared for distribution. The bills are bundled into stacks and then wrapped in plastic to ensure they remain intact during transport. The money is then sent to central banks and financial institutions, where it will eventually be distributed to businesses and individuals. This stage is the final step in the production process, and it marks the transition from a printed sheet of paper to actual currency in circulation. The bills are securely transported and stored until they are ready to be used in everyday transactions. From start to finish, the creation of money is a highly detailed and secure process. Each stage, from designing the currency to printing and packaging, ensures that the final product is both beautiful and secure. With multiple layers of security and a commitment to quality, every bill that makes it to circulation is the result of a precise and careful process. Understanding how money is made gives us a greater appreciation for the work that goes into creating the currency we use every day. If you found this process as fascinating as we did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights into how everyday things are made.